Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
While Mt Baldy has something for everyone, it has a ton of runs designed for expert advanced skiers. The ski resort receives about 170 inches of fresh snow each year, with snowmaking ensure that you can enjoy the resort throughout the season. The base elevation is 6,500 feet, and the longest run is 2.5 miles.
Take our lead.
Mt Baldy is not ideal for beginners, but 20% of the runs are beginner level. This resort is mostly for intermediate and advanced skiers and snowboarders. Mt Baldy also offers tubing and just playing in the snow, which can be quite a novelty for Southern California natives.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Snow is uncommon west of the Sierra Nevada, except in the Cascades and the Coast Range, but it has fallen in nearly every area of the state. Snow is lighter east of the Sierra Nevada because of the snow shadow effect. Even sunny Southern California gets snow occasionally.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
This is pretty much the road to get to the Mt Baldy ski area. Has quite a few switchbacks and it's mostly a 2-lane road. During the winter I only drive it when Caltrans doesn't require chains, since those switchbacks are pretty steep and there is no room for error.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.